It's Casey from CrossFit Rekkr. You guys know that we take care of our bars and our equipment here very well. We take it very seriously. So today I'm going to show you how we take apart one of our bars. So you guys come over here. We start off. There's a little snap washer right in there. I'm going to take these pliers, insert it in here, and go ahead and pull that out. Just like that right there, guys. Now, when you take apart a bar, you want to make sure that you lay everything out in the same order you take it out, so you know the order to put it back in, because it does get confusing sometimes. And there we've got the cap. Nice and easy. This is an XTraining equipment 20 kilo men's elite competition bar. From there, we've got another snap washer in here. A little further in there that I got to take out this time. And even though that shot off, it hit the rig, it's right back here. Alright guys, next up, just a plain old washer. Next up, guys, we have a half washer, so you need to be careful with this one. Make sure your hand's underneath so you can catch it. Notice all that wonderful grime and lubricant in there. We're going to have to clean that off. Another little washer right there, ladies and gentlemen. And then big gold collar right there. From there, guys, all you gotta do is carefully lift up your barbell, pull your collar right off, just like that. As you can see, guys, all the way through. A little bit of gunk and grime in there that we're gonna make sure we oil and clean up so it spins nicely. And this right here, guys, is basically a barbell. It's got a little bit of some grease on there, so what we're going to do is we're going to clean it up and we're going to re-grease it, and then we're going to put it all back together. So once we got a little bit of some of our blaster lubricant right there, guys, shout out. Gonna make sure we put some lubricant into the collar. Get nice and set, and we're just gonna slide it right back on. There we go. And then we just reassemble, and we got everything back in order. So I'm going to take it, clean it a little bit, make it look nice and shiny and new. See a little bit of wear on there. And we'll just put it right back in. Now with these half washers, you got to be really careful. They go into this little groove right here, and they're a real pain in the butt because they like to fall out. So it's good to have that second washer that I'm dropping, which try not to do as much as possible. It's good to have that prepared for you. Lovely, Miss Camille.
And Tabitha.
All right, guys, so we start with that half washer right there. Putting it on, and then take that full washer, get it right in so you can pull that collar right in. This way it stays nice and secure. And you don't have to worry about dropping your washers or losing anything. Let me put these washers back. Make sure it's nice and secure. A little more lubricant, because when is too much lubricant ever a problem?
One chuckle from the audience.
Somebody smiles. Shine up that lovely spacer. And last but not least, final snap washer. And there we go. Nice collar on a barbell. Cleaned and replaced. Thank you very much, guys. See you Monday.